Hi everyone, today we will talk about how to fix Instagram highlights. To know how to fix Instagram highlights, you should just go to settings like this. After that, in this page you will go to apps, default apps, app settings like this. Then in this list you will find the application of Instagram. You will click. Here in this page you will go to force stop, and then you will enter to storage. After that, in this page you will click clear cache, and then you will click clear data, and after that you can turn off your phone. That you can know how to fix Instagram highlights. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for watching.